Hello everyone, this is Abundance Michael-Olawuni, and today I'm going to show you how you can completely remove this Capcut logo at the end of your video, so you don't have to be deleting it with every video that you make. All right, so this is the ending part, right? So just to delete it on the video, you just tap on delete. We're already in Capcut, so I'm going to go back. When you open your Capcut app, you go to your settings by the top right corner, and then you tap on this. This is mine has been off, so add default ending. We're going to discard. So we're going to off it. So this is how you're no longer going to have it. So for every video you make, you're not going to see that Capcut logo at the end of the video. I hope this was helpful. Make sure you like, share and subscribe, as I'll be sharing more helpful tips. Bye.